Okay, so this lecture's bit's going to cover chapters 9 through 11. We're still on the river, moving along with Huck and Jim. Chapter 9, titled "The House of Death Floats By." Something happens here in this chapter where the house floats by and there's a dead man in it, right? Naked dead man in the corner, and Jim is very protective towards Huck and doesn't want Huck to see the dead person's body, which is fine with Huck. I don't want to be a spoiler alert, but there's something that happens here in this chapter with this dead man that is not said yet. So I don't want to spoil it. Okay, moving on. Chapter 10, they're back on the river, and Huck plays a little bit of a prank on Jim with a rattlesnake. And we see Huck's character grow here in this. He's always been a prankster, and he loves a good prank. He loves a good joke. But this one goes a little wrong, and he feels bad. He regrets what he did to Jim later on. And at the end of the chapter, even mentions that he didn't want Jim to find out that he pulled this prank on him. So we see some character development in Huck. And we also can touch on that racism theme. This gives a new shade of friendship to Huck and Jim. And if they can be friends, and if Huck feels badly for treating him a certain way, is that racist? Is it not racist? So please add that to your little short list of, can I prove Twain handles this character in a racist way or not? Also, a lot of superstition going on in this chapter. Chapter 11 is the shore again, and so we bring back that theme of the shore, and civilization has danger and chaos related to it, whereas the river is safe, and that's where Huck obviously leaves Jim. So, and a little bit more discussion about, okay, Huck's obviously worried about Jim and anxious to get back to Jim. That Jim would be okay. So add that to your racist pro-con list too. So that's chapters 9 through 11. Talk to you in the next bit.